All right. Good morning to you all. Good afternoon or good evening, wherever you find yourself. So this is just a quick video analysis that on some various currency pairs. Actually, I did this analysis that was on Monday, I think 2nd of October, and then I'm going to give you the feedback as to how the analysis went, as well as I'll also talk about some new analysis. So I would like you to follow me here. All right. So beginning the week, we started our trades with the pound against the yen. So we took a position around here, and then our take profit was somewhere around this level. Is that okay? This was a very good risk reward trade. 1:2.76. So the reason why we took this trade was because of the rejection around this zone. Is that okay? If you pay close attention, you would realize that this particular place is a resistance zone. So when the market approached it, I suspected that the market was going to drop. So that was why we took the sell position. So two things actually confirmed this trade. Number one, the market was at a resistance zone, and number two, the market also reached the 200 moving average. So if this green line you are seeing is what we call the 200 moving average, and if you look at previous history, you will realize that the market normally gets rejected around this green line. It is the 200 exponential moving average. Yes, that's what normally happens when the market approaches it. So when look at this place, when the market got here, it got what? Rejected. Let me use presentation. When the market reached here, it got rejected. Reached here, got rejected. Is that okay? As for this particular move, this was influenced by fundamentals. Is that okay? All right. So our focus today is another sell opportunity that we have. Is that okay? So the overall trend we know is down, so we should be looking for sell opportunities. Good. So with this one, the reason why I'm taking this position is because the market was able to break this support. Is that okay? And when the support gets broken, it becomes a resistance zone. So the market broke it down, went back to the resistance zone, and then I am anticipating that the market is going to fall further. So from here, it went this way, came down here. So a brief correction around here, and then we are going to see what a dip. Is that okay? I'm going to see a market falling to this level. That is what I predict to happen with regards to the pound against the Japanese yen. All right. So that is fine. So with this one, you can look for sell opportunities on lower time frames. That is the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So for this one like this, you can look for sell opportunities. So you have a small trend, a small line like this. Good. So when you have the market breaking below it, then of course let me go down lower. When you have the market breaking through this short trend line, then we can have a sell position. What I mean is, if you see a break from here, you can go short. Is that okay? That means that the sellers are willing to continue with the market. All right, so let me just take this away. Good. Let's talk about the gold. Now gold has been trending lower and lower and lower for the past 2 weeks or so. Yeah. So with gold now, it is consolidating, especially when you go to the lower time frame. That is where you see it clearly. 15 minutes time frame, you see that gold is consolidating. So for me, I would only take trades around the support and then the resistance zone. Is that okay? That is to minimize the risk. You have to take trades only around the support and the resistance zone. That is 1 and 2. Is Is that okay? Because that way you are safer than to take trades in the range. Is that okay? So I would advise that if you want to trade gold, only take the trades around these levels, around this level or on top here. So this particular one is a good sell opportunity because the risk reward is great. 1 is to 2.3 2.34. So it's a very nice trade or risk to take. All right, so that is done with gold. Gold is a simple one. Then let's talk about the AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so let's give it time to load. Good, it is done. Okay. Wow, I did not know that this actually happened. So with CAD yesterday, I had a signal around this place. We're anticipating I was anticipating a buy. Yes, the reason being that the market approached a previous support, and aside that, if I put my Ikimoku indicator, you realize that the future of AUDCAD was bullish. Is that okay? So I had this green cloud forming, so it gave sense that the market was going to rise, but by then I couldn't take the trade, so I missed this particular move. Then this morning I woke up very early, and then I had this setup to there, and I don't know, I also hesitated in taking the trade because I thought it was quite early, and then unfortunately or unfortunately for others, it has